Teenage is the time when you need to do some extra care of your skin. The most important in your skincare routine is to understand your skin type. During your teens, hormone levels spike, which in turn increases oil production in your skin and makes your skin more prone to acne and breakouts. You need to balance your skin and control oil production to have a beautiful and flawless skin. So in this video, we will share with you an easy teenage skincare routine that you can follow to get healthy and glowing skin. Step 1. Cleanse. The most important step in teen skincare routine is cleansing. Cleansing helps to remove dirt and excess oil from your skin and keeping your skin looking radiant and healthy. For cleansing your face, you need 1/4 cup aloe vera gel, 1/4 cup honey, and 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. You can choose oil according to your skin type. Take a small glass bowl and mix all the ingredients well to combine. Now take a small amount of this cleanser and apply it on your face. Then massage it on your face for 1 minute in circular motion. Rinse your face with water and pat dry your face. Step 2. Tone your skin. Toner helps to remove oil from the skin and balances your skin pH level. It also helps to minimize the pores to make your skin look smoother. For making your toner, you need 20 ml rose water and few drops of lavender essential oil. Take a spray bottle and pour rose water and lavender essential oil into it. Now shake it well to combine. Use it as a toner on your face. Step 3. Exfoliate. Next step is to exfoliate your skin. It helps to draw out impurities by unclogging your pores. It evens out skin tone and creates a radiant and glowing complexion. To exfoliate your skin, take granulated oats 2 tablespoons, honey 1 tablespoon, and yogurt 2 tablespoons. Take a small glass bowl and add all the ingredients in it and mix well. Then apply this scrub all over your face. Now massage it gently on your face for 5 minutes in circular motion to remove all dirt and dead cells away. Then rinse your face with lukewarm water. Step 4. Face massage. Face massage helps to rejuvenate your skin and improve the blood flow, making your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. For making your face massage cream, you need half grated cucumber, 1 tablespoon honey, and 3 drops of rosehip essential oil. Take grated cucumber and honey and blend them together in a blender. Then sieve it and pour this mixture in a small glass jar. Apply it on your face and massage for 5 minutes. Then simply wash it off with water. Step 5. Face mask. Face mask is the final step in your skincare routine. Face mask helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin as well as improve skin texture and elasticity. For making your face mask, you need 2 tablespoons sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon honey, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, and 2 to 3 drops of rose water. Mix all the ingredients well and apply all over your face. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes and let it dry. After 15 to 20 minutes, wash your face with plain water. Follow the skincare routine 2 times a week and you will get youthful and glowing skin. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.